My name is Irvin Hernandez-Perez, and I am a DAP counselor, and I work for the Domestic Sexual Violence Services Program. I've been working with the county for the past 3 years. Well, my third anniversary will be in May of this year, and I've been working in the same position for those 3 years. As an ADAPT counselor, we facilitate therapy groups. These groups are specifically for those who have caused harm in a domestic violence incidents and situations. Some of our clients are court orders, some of them are coming here voluntarily. But in addition to that, we also facilitate intakes in which we interview our clients, our participants that are going to enroll in our program. In addition to that, we create treatment plans. We meet with them individually as needed. And in addition, we also participate in different community activities in which we are also educating the community about domestic violence and obviously about the work that we do. I've been working for the past 14 years in many different areas in the mental health field, but also in the social services field. I worked in Puerto Rico from year 2007 as an intake worker for the emergency crisis division with the social services department. And after that, I worked in different places as a counselor. Also, I did my practices because of my background in psychology. And also, I worked in a youth academy that we prepare students to go to university. And in that role, I was as a case manager. And in 2014, I moved here to the United States and I moved to the state of Colorado and I work for the Department of Human Services. I work in the Family Drug Court Treatment Program, also as a counselor, as a child protection bilingual therapist. Then I moved to Virginia, and in Virginia, I've been working also as a therapist. I work for National Counseling Group and other different agencies, and I completed also my doctoral internship as well. So I've been working for a little bit, but it's been in the same field. The most rewarding aspect of this work it is to be able to be that bridge between someone who is in the process of healing when they have been navigating through so many different experiences and witness that growth and witness that sometimes they're probably at the beginning of that journey, sometimes they're in the middle of that journey, and sometimes they're almost at the end of it. Either way, for me, and I believe for all of us as counselors in this program, we are witnessing something very powerful at times, life changing. We are obviously helping others to connect with their loved ones in ways that probably they've never done. So I think that this is probably one of the most rewarding aspects of my job and also my whole entire professional career. I decided to work for the Department of Family Services. I do believe it's in my nature to work with families, not just only to work with one individual that belongs to that family, but also to impact positively the family itself. I've been doing this for a while now, and because of that, I feel compelled, I feel driven and committed to help not only families in our communities, but also like families from different countries and different places that happens to be here living in Fairfax County. And I think that being able to utilize this platform, which is this position that allows me to serve the community, helps me to continue confirming what I wanted to do, which is like to serve not only minorities and also Latin American communities, which I have been able to do, but also to learn from other cultures. And I think that that is something that I probably was not expecting to to learn so much from, and I feel absolutely excited every single day that I have the opportunity to be in front of clients who are from different backgrounds, cultural backgrounds, because it pushes me to be obviously more mindful, receptive, and obviously to learn from them. I do believe that DSVS has the amazing team with people from different backgrounds that allow us not only just to learn from each other, but also to be part of a program that had a vision in which we're looking for equity. We're looking for also like to provide the services, but in an approach that it's person centered. And I think that it is something that is promoted from from our managers and supervisors. It makes this whole environment a unique one, and one in which I invite anybody to have the opportunity to come and join us, because it has been the highlight of my career, as I mentioned, because how seen you feel and heard, and your voice matters, and your work and your background, your training and your experience also is validated. And in addition to that, you're doing something that will be positively impactful towards someone, and maybe probably towards a whole community. So I invite anybody to join us. My hobbies. I love going to the gym. I enjoy working out. I also enjoy going to the movies. Anybody who knows me knows that I love movies. I love collecting movies, watching movies at home, going also to the theater. I love also going to concerts. I love anything that is live performance. And I really do spend a lot of time having fun doing those things, spending time with my family. And lately, I've been visiting my home country, Puerto Rico, a little bit often to see my dad. And I think it's becoming also my hobby. I enjoy myself a lot doing that. A fun fact about me. Well, I have a dog. She is 4 years old. She's a pandemic dog. And the reason why it's fun is because she is one of the sweetest animals that I have ever had. And she definitely helps me to ground myself. And every single person that knows me and knows her, they can agree. The sweetest dog ever. And I am very proud to be a dog dad.